Ford Focus SE, you have an expansion valve where the pipes are going in. There it is. Alright, so there is a clip, and it's right around all this stuff. See? So, clip. Slide out, but it slides out. That's kind of its own way. There it is. This is a slide, I see. And this is a hook. Alright, so there's a few more screws for that expansion valve to come out. Anyway, comes out straight out. After unscrewing these two screws, and now putting in the new. That's how it looks without it. My camera died, so I had to miss out on just unscrewing those two screws, but that's really all I missed. Funtime production. And that is replacing the expansion valve on a 2012 Ford Focus. The old. You can see the old, well, that's actually the new oil, but yeah, I just replaced it just in case.